Listen. Love the world through me. Oh yeah. Made it your home, gave me a testimony. Father God, I love you. Thank you for another day. I got another chance to serve you, another chance to say how I appreciate all you've done for me. In spite of all that I've done wrong, I tried to put these feelings into words, and it turned into this simple song. Love the